The ram air turbine control panel. The ram air turbine control panel has 3 indication lights, 3 switches, and a ground test connector. The amber light comes on in the event of blades misalignment during retraction sequence. The red light is on as long as the actuator is pressurized to retract. And the green light comes on when the ram air turbine is stowed and locked. Adjacent to the lights, there are 3 switches. The reset stow switch is a toggle switch. When stow is selected, the ram air turbine is controlled to retract. The reset position is used to unlatch the electrical retraction inhibition circuits following an interlock warning. The lamp test switch is used to check the 3 indication lights. The on-off guarded switch allows to supply the ram air turbine control panel. And finally, the ram air turbine ground check connector.